What's going on, guys? Today we're opening up 16 brand new Hot Wheels cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels C case. But before we open them up, the winner of my latest Hot Wheels car giveaway is... Congratulations to the winner. Now it's time to open up some new cars. The 2017 Nissan GT-R R35 Guaczilla. The 2018 Copo Camaro SS. The Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. The 1988 Honda CRX. The Volkswagen Golf Mark II. The 68 Chevy Nova. The 71 Mustang Funny Car. The Nissan Fairlady Z. The 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. The custom Volkswagen Beetle. The Justice League Batmobile. The 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. The 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. The 87 Dodge D100. The Ducati 1199 Panigale. And our final Hot Wheels is the wheelie chair. So there we have a wide variety of some of the cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels C case. My favorites are Guaczilla and the Copo Camaro SS, but let me know your favorites in the comments below. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.